Is up, guys? We are back, and I finally got my 3-piece wheels machined and ready to put together. The first part I got made was the lip. I think these are 3-inch lips or 4. I can't remember now. It's been so long. But I found somebody out in LA that makes custom lips. They did these for me. 17 by 4, I'm pretty sure. Super nice though. Polish finish. And I cleaned up the centers pretty nice. They used to have Plasti Dip on them. That was pretty hard to take off. Didn't spray it on thick enough. Makes it super hard to take off. But anyway, just this morning I picked these guys up. I got the lips machined off just flush with the bolt pattern, so I could put the new lips on there. And that came out perfect. It was a little pricey, but definitely way cheaper than buying 3-piece wheels or new barrels, so that was cool. So let me get these together real quick, see what they look like. Got it all put back together. This thing looks so nice. Can't believe how good it turned out. Pretty beefy too. It comes out to be a 17 by 10. It's pretty good. I think I have a 225 35. I can't remember. But I'm pretty sure it's 225s. And they already have a pretty good stretch on a 17 by 9, so on these they'll be super nice. I'm very happy with how these turned out though. They're gorgeous. I only have a couple nuts in right now just to hold it together, but I think I'm going to have to get longer studs, because these, if it'll focus, there you go, these don't poke through enough. Like you can see, it's barely flush with the nut, so I'm gonna have to get some longer studs or something. Yeah, these things are gorgeous. Yeah, these things were, I wouldn't say they were hideous, but they were pretty rough, how they looked originally. I'll throw a picture up real quick. But yeah, I'd say it's night and day difference how they're looking now. I think they're gorgeous. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it for this video. Make sure and like and comment down below. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.